Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to days of our misspent youth and a VG ute.
Can't get rid of you, mate.
No. So Ryan decided that that fixing a VG ute today was what we really wanted to do.
Yeah.
It does have a snaily looking thing on the side of it, which is going to make things awfully painful for what we have to do for the car, but we'll get there. So we've got a crank angle sensor to do today. Well, that's what we think it is anyway. And it's definitely going to be a crank angle sensor. There is no fire.
There is no spark, there is no injector pulse.
So we'll lump this thing back to the shed and attempt to change it. And a sump gasket at the same time.
Yeah, show them the ground.
I think we need to have a look at what's been left behind. It's a little treat. There it is. It's only a little puddle. So we'll have some fun.
Tiny.
Yeah. We're going to have to move carbo check so that we can use the hoist though.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, what a shame.
Boy, has this thing done a burnout before?
No officer.
Gonna need to go. What are we doing?
Don't look at it.
Don't look at it?
No.
Oh. Okay.
It's like mod plate, streamer pipe.
We'll just
One of these things just doesn't belong here.
blank that bit out. It was done after the modification.
It was. I swear, officer.
So we've just about got the harmonic off, and we're going to put in a replacement.
We use the term "we are" very lightly here.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm the camera guy. I don't actually work.
Approximately one Ugaduga,
Yes.
and it's coming apart.
And somehow this bloke here continues to come in and like save the day.
As much as he doesn't like V6s, he likes working on
He
those.
seems to be doing a lot of that lately.
Yeah, you have to work on them.
Oh. That's
Show me the map of this. Oh, so you can fucking, you don't even, it's way easier on a viewer. Yeah, the early ones just had it right here.
I'm not sure we're going to talk much sense around here.
Okay. What did the ramp hit? By the way. Oh, shit. It hit the intercooler.
Did it?
Yeah.
Did it damage it?
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah. It's not bad, as long as it doesn't leak.
I think it got it on the first.
The Buick said you can
Yeah.
Allen head. Then you have to win this fucking long game. Oh, Jesus.
That's been there for a little while. Well, this is a Buick one, crank angle sensor. This is the one that come off the car. So that's an Ecotec one that come off a Buick motor. Interesting. Well, we'll swappy and get one on there that's the same. So this one doesn't. This doesn't have too many markings on it, so this one might be an aftermarket. What the? Not that one then? Oh. Well, I didn't film that bit, but if you want to know what we just went through in order to get the nut undone, I think that explains most of it. So I'll have to straighten that back again. But now we can get the harmonic off and find a sensor. That one looks a little more like it. Yeah, funny that. Now hopefully this fixes a turbo Buick issue.
VY parts, mate.
VY's for life. Send it. Well, look at what we have here. It's a DFI swapping man. They look like fresh coils.
Fucking brand new DFI plate and coils.
Aftermarket?
No, it's done. Oh yeah, it's done like 6 months of work. I bought them brand new before I put the car on the road.
Okay. Well, we'll tick this box and double check to make sure. What are we rating it from Carbotech, are we?
Active.
Yeah.
It's got eco-use parts on it.
Oh. That one there. Give him 1 moment, please. The amount of coils and DFIs we've played with in the last couple of weeks has been, like, unquestionable.
Disgusting.
Yeah. Shit house.
There's a wire hanging over the sway battery.
Yeah. I'm just going to put all this shit back first.
Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Hey! Well, that works. We can breathe easier a little bit now, Ryan. Okay. One issue service. So
Makes no fucking sense.
it doesn't, does it?
I said it makes no fucking sense.
But it is working. So that's one thing ticked off.
Well, let's go clean up and have a feed, and then we'll come back later.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Might need to go up on the hoist. Probably be easier to get to the
Get to the bottom.
Okay. Power steering things.
I'm just going to quickly rubber myself.
Okay.
It's half of it's oil, but most of it's just liquid rubber.
Liquid rubber. We'll get the hoisty thingy ready. So the O-ring going onto the pump from the reservoir has been changed. No more leaks out of there, but of course the return line for the reservoir has perished. So we're just going to replace that one, and in order to do that we're going to go up on the hoist and do it from underneath to be a little bit easier. So, and then maybe put this thing back together and hear some choo 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 noises.
Fucking can't get to it.
Are you having fun?
No. Can you tell?
Ew. Oh, that is not... That's not very nice. It's only a little bit of an oily
Just need
mess.
that little bit longer.
Yeah. Well, here's a bit of hose we prepared earlier.
Sitting on the floor. Courtesy of the wind last night.
Yep, down there. Now we need shitloads of degreaser
I've got some degrees
and a pressure cleaner.
Well, I broke the fucking pressure cleaner trying to clean my head gaskets.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What do you do that for?
I don't know, because I'm a fucking dickhead.
I think it was the key toes.
Oh, is it fine now, or is it just fucked? Can't even fucking get it on.
I'm watching what you're doing on the camera.
I can't, like...
Yeah, yeah. Well, after some swearing and cursing, we seem to have got a lower one sorted. Let's see if we can accomplish the top one with a little less swearing and cursing. But you know what? Look, if swearing and cursing occurs, that's just working on cars, really, isn't it?
Further away from the extractors, isn't it? You come around the front,
What's that?
come around the front and
What, this way? Over here?
around the front of the oil filter. Come up
Oh.
there, away from the extractors.
Like that?
Mm.
We need that motherfucker.
Ooh. Ooh. That's the best offer I've had for a while.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Mate,
Look at this. Oh.
yeah.
You've already done the lap around the yard, though. There's not as much left.
That's more than. Oh, this is only.
Oh, dude.
There's still like a 2.5 kilo chunk in there.
Oh. Mm. You have nice meat.
Real good meat.
Oh. That's disgusting. You should leave that here.
Yeah, I know. Terrible.
Be ashamed of yourself.
The other one's got more of a bitey rub on it.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Burgers, salads, everything inside.
He was just letting me try it for the first time.
Mate, this is the best thing I've ever had. I'm going for the biggest bit, like a greedy cut. Bro, that's beautiful.
I'm going for the fatty bit over here. Oh. Oh, thank you.
Oh my god. Dude, that is so tender.
Probably the best one I've done.
Oh. He's got a good meat.
He has the best meat.
Oi, does this thing have a turbo on it?
No officer.
Stop. Well, I think we accomplished what we needed to get accomplished.
We didn't have to do what we did. We didn't need to pull the front of the motor and half to do it.
But no. But we've got the car so you can drive it to work in the morning, which means success. Right? No. See you next time.